Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the latest free global IPTV that's making waves everywhere. First up, let's talk about the fantastic range of content available. Whether you're into action-packed movies, thrilling TV dramas, or live sports, this IPTV service has you covered. All your favorite genres are just a click away, hassle-free. But wait, there's more. Head over to https://www.2tv.store/ for an even more personalized streaming experience. They offer easy installation with amazing customer support. Nancy from 2TV Store provides top-notch assistance for quick setup with minimal effort. This makes the user-friendly interface incredibly appealing for first-time users. From installation to viewing, enjoy a seamless journey into the world of global entertainment. Streamlining your media has never been this easy or effective. Ready to revolutionize your TV viewing experience? Click the link in the description to explore more at 2TV Store. Happy streaming, and don't forget to subscribe for updates.